Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Friday, May the 12th. Stocks slumped yesterday, but then surged at the close. A big comeback from early losses straight up for most of the session. Now, we were still negative across the board in our stock indexes, but just by a little bit, setting up for a mixed week depending on what happens here at Fun Day Friday. Looking at other markets, we saw gold up $5, and we saw the crude oil market continue to move to the 48 level yesterday, so up about 50 cents. Dollar steady, but closing in on that 100 level, which is important psychologically. 99.80 some was the high yesterday. So where do we stand on this Friday morning? Well, right now we're off just a little bit. More pressure from retail stocks continuing to get rotten and get routed. We are seeing today JCPenney making new year lows, but it's more of the psychology as well there. So if we look at the S&P is down 5. The S&P was down 5 on the week coming into today, so we're looking like right now we stand at a negative 10 on this weekly basis after being up a couple of consecutive weeks. Look at the NDX, continue to be strong. Right now up about 5 points. The NDX is up about 0.5% on a week coming in today, so that's looking like it's going to finish in the green. We'll see how it goes for the rest of the session. And the Dow is off 30. The Dow had a big comeback yesterday. It was down more than 100 points, came back, fought back those losses, but on a weekly basis, it was down 90 coming in today, so we're back to a triple-digit loss for a week. Looking at other markets right now, gold is up $5 around the 1230 level. Important that we made new lows this week, relative lows, 3-week lows anyways, down at 1214. Right now we're at 1229, 1230. So that's a reversal, and above last week's lows was as a support that we broke below and now have come back above. Looking at crude oil is up about 3% on the week. After that key reversal last Friday, right now we're down 40 cents at 47.50, but it's still a big comeback and some follow through after those extreme lows that we saw last week at 43.75 and the close last week at 46.50. So we've got about a 2% gain as it stands right now. So to summarize, as the stock market gets started this morning, a little bit of weakness, down 5 in the S&P, up 5 in the NASDAQ, continues go, and the Dow is down 30. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.